Hey, what's up people, this is Saurabh welcoming you to yet another video on my channel, and today I'll be giving you my full review of Affiliate SE. I think that's how the correct pronunciation is, or it could be Affiliate Easy. So whatever it is, I'm gonna call it Affiliate Easy because that is one of the easiest way for the affiliates, which you will get to know later in the video. So I'll be giving you the inside tour of the members area. I'll be showing you my bonus page. Yes, I'm offering some nice bonuses for you guys for this product, and then we'll have a look at the sales page, and finally I'm going to give you the demo, the actual live demo of Affiliate Easy. So make sure to watch this video towards the end, as you don't want to miss out any of the point which I'm going to cover in this video. So in a nutshell, Affiliate Easy is a WordPress plugin that creates ClickBank review website with just one click. Well, you must be saying, oh Saurabh, not another WordPress plugin. We have seen many WordPress plugins. I understand, I totally understand, but just wait to see the demo. You will see the difference. With one click, this WordPress plugin is going to create a full-fledged working review website with articles already added, with your links ready to go. That is where Affiliate Easy is different from all the other plugins or all the other softwares out there. So right now I'm inside the members area of Affiliate Easy, and once you log into the members area, you will come to the dashboard where you will see the different download link based on the plan which you have taken. I'll be covering out the different plans later in the video, and then there are training videos as to how you need to install it, how to get traffic towards your website, how to set everything up, and then there is more trainings, some advanced trainings that is for the Affiliate Easy Pro version. So you will get training on the on-page and off-page SEO techniques, easy way to drive free traffic to your affiliate offer. So don't worry, I have got you covered with almost all these points in my bonuses, which I'm going to reveal shortly. And next there's the account information, and then you will get all the vendor bonuses inside the members area only, which this is a demo account, so they are not available right now, but you should be seeing the bonuses from the vendor right inside over here. So if you decide to pick up Affiliate Easy using my link, then I'm going to offer you these different bonuses. The bonus link will be in the description down below. When you click on that link, you will come to this page, and when you just scroll down, you will see my different bonuses. So the number one bonus which I'm offering is a 60-minute 1:1 coaching call with me, where you can clarify all your doubts. I'll help you to set up Affiliate Easy, or if you have any other questions regarding online business, I'm more than happy to help you out with that. So it's going to be a 60-minute session one-on-one with me. The next bonus which I'm offering is I'm going to give you training on how to SEO blast your WordPress blog to first page on Google. So it's all good about having a blog, a WordPress blog, but you also need to do the search engine optimization, the SEO, to make sure that your posts are ranking on number one page of Google and your different pages are ranking. So I've got you covered with the training as my bonus. The next bonus is how to run Google Ads to scale your blog. So in this complete training, you will learn how to set up Google Ads the right way and how to run them to scale your blog. Alright, bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you my YouTube course, in which you will learn how to drive free traffic from YouTube to different offers to your blog or to any offer, any service you're promoting. That's a complete training course which I've created, and then you will get all the vendor bonuses which I had shown you inside the members area, which you will get. So these are the bonuses. Now coming to some of the features of Affiliate Easy. So as I said, it's a premium design website with logo and preloaded theme which is included. So it's just one click. I'm going to show you. I'm so excited to show you the demo. So then you will get done for you handpicked high selling affiliate product reviews. So you will get everything. You will get the reviews done for you. You will get guaranteed affiliate link approval from top affiliate network. So in case if any of the product requires approval from the vendor, and these guys will help you to get that approval. Next is the 4-figure per month tutorial and training is included. I had already shown you inside the members area, the training which is there. You will also get the 3200 case study from one article, how they were able to generate $3,200 from just one article. So now coming to the pricing and the upsells. So the front end of Affiliate Easy is just for $17. So you will get the plugin, you will get the training, and you will also get the case study. The first upsell, which is also known as OTO1, which is the one-time offer, is Affiliate Easy Pro Edition. And that is the Pro plugin with some advanced traffic training, which I had shown you, and that is going to cost you $37. So those are some extra features in the plugin. You can also build your email list using the opt-in feature. You are going to get the commercial license. You can also do retargeting for your campaigns. You can add the Facebook Pixel, Google Pixel code to more traffic and sales back to your website so that you don't lose on any of the traffic. Then you will learn the advanced traffic generation training. The next OTO is the Affiliate Easy license edition. So you will get the agency license and the white label license. So using that, you can use Affiliate Easy to develop websites for clients or sell this auto ranking plugin for unlimited clients. So that is going to cost you to $47. And then the OTO3 is the Affiliate Easy Masterclass edition, in which you're going to get the done for you campaign and the one-to-one coaching, and that is going to cost you up to $267. So in this you will get weekly one-on-one coaching, and they will set a winning affiliate campaigns to get your results. So this is all about the pricing. Now let me show you what the sales page looks like. So when you click on any of these buttons, these yellowish buttons which are there, you will come to the sales page, which is going to look something like this. And let's have a look at the headline. It says launch your 100% done for you affiliate site in 60 seconds. That earns you $3,000 plus per month using free buyer traffic from Google. And yes, that is going to create an affiliate site in less than 60 seconds for you. And it's a long sales page. You can have a look at in your leisure time. Now let me show you how you need to set up this Affiliate Easy. So for that you need a WordPress blog, a domain name, and a hosting, which they have covered in the training as to how you need to get it. And I already have got a domain name and hosting, so I've already got WordPress installed on it. And now let me show you how to install the plugin. So for that you need to go into plugins and click on add new, and then you need to click on upload plugin, and you have to download the file from the members area, which I have already downloaded. So let me just choose that file which I have downloaded, and you need to click on install now. So you will see the magic very soon. Hang on guys, hang on, it's coming. It's installing. As you can see down there, it's 52%, and looks like it is done. And once you're on this particular page, then you need to click on activate plugin, and then you will see on the left hand side, you will see Affiliate Easy, and you will see two options, settings and import. So let's go into settings, and over here you need to specify how many articles you need to get started with. So let's say you want to get started with 5 articles in your blog, and yes, you want to import the images, and here you need to mention your ClickBank affiliate ID. So I put in one of my ClickBank affiliate ID over here, and then you need to click on save. And now let me show you the magic. Now just click on that my blog thing on the top left, and then click on view site. I'll just open it in a new window. Boom! See this, all these articles are pre-written. You have got a ready to go website. You can open any of the article and you can see this is for DiddlyPay review. And down at the bottom you can see, when you just click on it, when you just take your mouse on top of this link, you will see your ClickBank ID. That's absolutely wonderful, guys. You have got a full working website, full reviews which are all done for you. You've got different reviews of these top products inside ClickBank. Fluttermail, I'm aware about Fluttermail. I've used it in past, and see, it's a very nice looking website. And let me just see, this is my domain name, digitalmarketingparadise.com, and let me just copy this and let's just open the website over here so that you can see that yes, it is a full-fledged working website. Yeah, you can see it yourself. It has got more than 5 posts, because I had already configured them to 10 posts initially. So guys, you can see this is a very nice and clean looking website, and you've got a website in less than 60 seconds, and now you can just take this and you can start driving traffic to these review articles. So this Affiliate Easy product, along with my bonuses which I had shown you, let me just tell you again my bonuses. Number 1 bonus is 60-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. Number 2, you're going to get how to SEO blast your WordPress blog, so you can implement this training on the blog which you just created. Next, you will learn how to run Google Ads to scale your blog. Then you will learn how to drive free traffic from YouTube and all the vendor bonuses. So these bonuses, together with the vendor bonuses and the product, I think you've got a great deal. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. So guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.